So, any realizations, anything to inform the people here of Nara Park?
It's actually really well cared for, surprisingly. The deers are really gentle. They do nibble at you, but you can't feel their teeth at all. Also, please don't, I think we've talked about it, don't chase the deers if they don't come to you because you're upset they didn't come to you.
But we've also seen where they come to you.
And they look for food and then you don't have food and they walk away. Or if you do have food, feed them. But also people who are clearly very afraid of these deers and are screaming around because there are deers. It's a deer park.
Yeah, they're yelling as if like,
Yelling.
and they have cookies on them too, which is the worst part. It's like,
Please use your brains. Like there's a reason you guys have this. Sorry, I'm not trying to be rude, but when it comes to animals, just because they can't speak our language doesn't mean you get to act without using your intelligence.
anyways, this is just our
I'm
own
really
opinion.
Passionate about animals. That's all.
That's okay. We're just showing here the world our opinions, and it
But
doesn't.
they're beautiful. It's
Yeah?
a good experience. They remind me of Bella, and
Aw.
they're gentle and they're sweet and they're sweet. I really hope all of this is super ethical.
Nice. Okay, here we are. Welcome to day 14 of our trip to Japan. And today or yesterday we landed in Kumano, which is the south, well, it's the southern part of, south of Kyoto. We're heading right now to, what's the waterfall? Nachi Waterfall. So let's go on an adventure. So Isha's grandma, when she was growing up, she remember how her grandma used to grow these on the side of her house.
Oh, I haven't seen them since I was a little girl.
So we're gonna go this way, left. Where we just came from was this temple here. We actually went inside of the temple that you see up there. We gave her donation, we lit up an incense, and at least from my end, I made a small wish with clapping both hands, bowing down, paying respects in that way to the Buddha. And Isha she did her own thing, which is fine.
I took it all in.
She took it all in.
Grateful. Not everything has to be.
Yeah, egoistic Carlos here wishing for... I'm not gonna tell you what my wish is, because I feel like it's not gonna come true. So we just finished eating this delicious, probably the best meal we've had.
So far. Currently, it's only through reservation, but the staff was so kind. They let us in as long as we were okay waiting 40 minutes. And we didn't end up waiting 40 minutes. She actually got the food out within half an hour of us there, which was fine. We weren't that hungry. It was delicious. Should get them a shout out.
Yes, shout out to them. Let's go. This is our car, by the way. Oh, day number 15
Yeah.
in Japan.
Yeah.
And Isha just got sick last night, so we came to a 7-Eleven or a Family Mart, and we got some medicine, cold
Herbal,
medicine,
apparently.
herbal, yeah.
There's like all sorts of roots and flowers and fruits and
Yesterday we drove what, like 8 hours?
yeah.
How
How can I get sick through a drive?
yeah,
I have a
the moment of truth.
memory of this as a child.
I
My
hope-
grandma made me drink something like that.
Oh, really? How is it?
It's like a mix between ginger ale,
Okay.
very gingery. It's not bad at all. The smell is alcoholic, but it's not alcohol. I think it's a root. It's very gingery and floral, so it's okay.
Oh, and by the way, so we are in this place. We wanted pizza last night. It was late at night. We couldn't find the Airbnb. We couldn't find the Airbnb. It was late at night. We tried finding a pizza place because I'm vegan/vegetarian. I don't eat eggs. And we couldn't find one. But today we really were craving pizza, and so we came to this place. I'm gonna show you guys in a second what it looks like, and it's right by the beach. I think you guys can see actually in the back of the car. Literally the beach is right there, and this would be the place to be on a nice sunny day.
Like tomorrow.
Yeah,
But it's gonna be cold, but I'm excited. Okay, let's go have food.
let's go. How was it? Good?
Yeah.
Are you still sick?
Stop. Here we are having pizza in the most amazing, beautiful cafe we found in Tomonoura. It's so cute, and I don't know if you can, but you should be able to see the sea if I zoom in, the Pacific Ocean. So it's like a beach, but it's raining a lot.
It's raining a lot.
Yeah, they have couch, they have live band here. The way up here was also a little treacherous, so worth it. Okay, let's dig in. Are you saying anything?
No, I'm not saying anything.
Yes, Tomonoura is really beautiful, guys. It's so close to the water. I'm so sad that I'm sick, but we're gonna make the best of our day here. It's sunny and windy and nice.
It's so nice.
Smeagol is sick. For the first time, Smeagol is hiding its face from the sun.
And with that ends our trip to Japan 2026. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, it was surreal. I can't believe it's coming to an end.
Yeah.
I feel like we just started.
Yeah, 18 days.
Yeah.
We have flying fish coming out of the water
Yeah,
here.
it's just like hopping over.
A lot to be thankful for. And yeah, shout out to everyone who's watching. Thank you so much for watching. Until
Thank you, Carlos, for driving us around everywhere on the other side of the road. There were some pretty challenging drives. Up the mountain, down the mountain, narrow roads.
yeah, and thank you to Isha for making all these things happen. The different destinations was this person right here. Okay, see you guys. Thank you so much for watching.